Meet the most powerful desktop laser cutter in the world, SwiftShape. Its unmatched power, speed, and precision empower you to explore new dimensions in design. From next-level artwork to industry-leading prototypes, bulk manufacturing, STEM education, and so much more. Experience the 3-in-1 versatility of laser cutting, CNC routing, and 3D printing, so you can make complete projects all with one machine. Take your work to the next level and push the boundaries of your creativity with the largest working area ever made. SwiftShape redefines the standards, packed with twice the power of its competitors. 4 times the speed, twice the precision, and twice the material depth. Every cut is a masterpiece. The automatic feeder allows materials to pass through for seamless infinite engraving, so you can design without limits. Create anywhere with dustless operation, compact size, and Class 1 laser safety. Explore the possibilities, inspire, and leave a lasting impact. SwiftShape. What will you make?